Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Strong rebound of retail sales, while industry lags behind analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 14AEF1 8/3/2026 49:24 am. Holiday season somewhat slows recovery. Since the beginning of the holiday season in July, we have observed a stabilization of the CEE Recovery Index. The current value suggests that 75–80% of the trough reached in mid-April has already been covered. For the week ending with July 25, mobility in all categories but retail dropped, with the most profound decrease in the workplace, suggesting that the holiday season is blooming. On the other hand, with increased movement of people due to leisure activities, air pollution went up. Electricity consumption increased as well, pointing to further recovery. Capacity utilization in the automotive sector remained unchanged. FX market developments. CEE currencies mostly gained further last week, with the HUF and HRK appreciating the most. The US dollar was a very important driver behind this, as the greenback fell to levels against the euro not seen since May 2018. The KUNA's appreciation may seem odd at first, but it looks like that the tourist season might not be as bad as was feared 1–2 months ago. This boosted demand for the Adriatic nation's currency. We think the HRK will revert back to the recently established central parity 7.5345 as the tourist season comes to an end in the autumn. The forint was performing well, due to the relatively higher interest rate differential compared to the CZK and PLN. This appreciation has not yet triggered a decline in expected rates in Hungary. If the dollar continues its slide, our forecast for the euro-HUF at 350 for the upcoming months may be revised. Bond market developments. Local currency bond yields have not declined in the region, while bond yields fell further. If we look at euro bond yields, we also see slight yield increases. This clearly shows that the mild currency appreciation in CEE was likely not due to an improvement of international sentiment, but is rather attributable to a weakening USD. Still, we see demand at LCY bond auctions as rather strong. In Hungary, debt managers sold bonds by HUF 20 BN more than planned, while Romania also managed to issue the planned amount of bonds amid strong demand. In Poland, development entity PFR announced plans to scale back its bond sales operations and sell around PLN 5 BN in bonds in August, compared to amounts of PLN 10.15 BN in previous periods. The sum of the originally planned programs could come in at around PLN 8.1 BN instead of the planned PLN 100 BN, PFR said. Download the full CEE Market Insights. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.